DCW London 2026. I'm here with Stuart Harron from AAlberts. How are you, Stuart?
Yeah, doing great, Mark.
Busy booth you've got here.
I've been flat out all morning, so it's been a great show so far. Yeah, it's
Excellent.
been very busy. Yeah,
So, won't take up much of your time. Tell us what you're showing off today.
Well, today we're showing off. I'm representing AAlberts Data Center Division, and we're displaying some of our core technologies. Yeah, in dynamic pressure maintenance, side filtration, vacuum degassing, all within a complete engineered solution in the form of this prefabricated plant room. So that's our core technologies we're demonstrating today.
Right, well, I can see people are in there having a look, but can you sort of talk us through what's in this room?
This is the vacuum degasser. Yeah, so the vacuum degasser, the main objective of this unit is to eliminate, eradicate the dissolved gases from your technical cooling circuits. Yeah, so in liquid cooling in your main primaries, physics dictates that there's a lot of dissolved gases in your lower temperature circuits. So it's vitally important for integrity of the system and for the stability of your system to get rid of those dissolved gases. So what we do is we take a sample from the system, we pull a vacuum on it, and that expels, we bring that dissolved gases out of solution and we expel it in the atmosphere, and then we re-enter that degassed water back into the cooling system.
Awesome stuff right now. I'm intrigued by these two big red things over here, so you'll have to explain them to me.
Yeah, well, these two big red things are expansion vessels. Yeah, it's part of our dynamic pressure maintenance solution. So in the UK, we call it spill and fill. So in short, when the system pressure increases, we spill the water, the excess volume from the system into the expansion tanks. Then when the system contracts, yeah, we fill back the system. We utilize that expanded volume to replenish the pressure within the main system. So that's where we get the spill and fill technology from.
My name is Sundar Singh. I'm the product line director for valve technology for AAlberts Integrated Piping Systems, part of the AAlberts Group. Today we're going to talk about the valves, connections and fixing solutions we have for a number of different applications. So whether it fits the chiller side, pump room, and also the CRA or CDU units above servers. But here today, what we have got is our valve solutions, new butterfly valves, strainers, metering stations, which all connect from the chiller evaporation unit into the main network, which then goes over to the pump area. So again, in the pump area, again, the arrangement is demonstrating the strainer metering stations and new butterfly valves we have in our range, which are end of line with resilient seat and IP68 gear mechanisms.
Got it all?
What we have is the network pipeline, which will go into either a CDU zone or a CRA unit. And within there, you'll have additional isolation valves. And here we have our new stainless steel butterfly valve with resilient seat, essentially, which has end of line and IP68 gear as well. And then we show you the arrangements that go towards CRA units. Again, we have valves that are standard thread, press-ended, metering station as well, all available in stainless steels. So just on the final leg, after the CD unit, we also have our express technology, which goes from the CD unit as the headers above all the servers, and then show the header drops using our new 3-piece ball valves with our press adapters going into connectors that go directly into servers.